Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I have amazing surprise for you because this video I'm going to be discussing about the new Blender update called Blender 2.93. Yes, Blender releases new version Blender 2.93. Let's check the new updates in the Blender and check what the new features we have in this software. Okay, so let's go to the Google Chrome and check the official website of Blender. So as you can see that here is a Blender update. Download Blender 2.930. Okay, the link is here about Blender is a free open source 3D creation suite. As we know that it's supposed to entirely the 3D pipeline and another get involved with all of things. Okay, Blender news are here, also B2B here. Okay, friends. Okay, so let's go to check the new updates in the software. So we minimize it and open the new Blender 2.93. So as you can see that the interface is very good. So let's create a general file. So let's check what we have new features in this software. Okay, in this new update. So I'm open my previous version 2.92. Okay, when I open this, let's take some time. So let's open a general file here also. Now we can compare the interface. Okay, so first the navigation arrows. Look at this, there is a navigation arrow in 2.93 and the navigation arrow in 2.92. There is a major difference is that it's like a dissolving. It's also includes the minus z axis, minus y axis and minus x axis because it's shown in the navigation panel clearly in this new version of Blender 2.93. But in the previous version we don't have indicates. Okay, it never indicates that it is a minus z axis, it is a minus y axis and it is a minus x axis, but the new version indicates us. Okay, in the previous version we don't have this collection option here in our properties panel. Just look at this. As you can see, there is a no collection panel connection icon here, but in Blender 2.93 we have collection panel on this where we can show the restriction, disable renders and many more options is here. Okay friends, so in the Blender 2.93 we have some new feature also. What? As you can see that in Blender 2.92 in this panel, layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing, texture painting, shading, animation, rendering, compositing, sculpting, but there is a new panel in here. Blender 2.93 is geometry nodes. So what is a geometry nodes? So let's test it. We open a geometry nodes. Let's create it. Okay, so let's unplug it. When I unplug it, my cube is disappear. Wow, it's going to be amazing, but I want my cube now back. So now my cube is here. So let's changing something. Let's shift A, search something just like point, distribute, and here. As you can see that my object is divided into many points just like a particle. Okay, let's change the density. Now it's look amazing in the cube shape. Okay, it's just like a cube shape also here. Let's go to the layout mode, and as you can see that amazing geometry nodes animation here. Okay, let's go to the geometry node, shift A, point scales and take it here. Now we can change our point also. Let's change density, checking the seeds, random, we can give poison disk and many more also. It's amazing in the geometry nodes that we can use for that. So let's delete it, shift A, create something new in the geometry nodes. So let's create something just like in geometry, join geometry, and I want my cube back. This last. Okay, my cube is back here and there is just like a pimple on the face. The dots are look like that there is a pimple on the face. Okay, but I want some round dots on this. So how it's possible? just go to and shift S, shift A, and let's point instance, place it here. Okay, I know that. Okay, let's create a object, icosphere, sorry, a sphere here. Go to here, press S to minimize, and Control A, rotation, location, and we can apply scale here. Okay, go to our object, let's click on the object is here. Now you can see that the pimples look like that, so I want to minimize the density, but as you can see that it's look like a huge pimple on the face. Yes, I know that I'm very shading on this, so let's scale it a little bit more, minimize, Control A, apply scales. Now you can see that it's perfectly all right. So with the geometry nodes, you can create amazing geometry in the Blender, and also to animate so lots of things in the Blender. So first of all, you should know about the geometry nodes. What are geometry nodes? The geometry nodes are used to be created something better. Just like that, you want to create a geometry, and it's just like a mathematics. Okay, when we create a cube, when we create a triangle under a cube. Okay, when we create a cylinder under a cube, and also many things in the maths have a possible thesis. That's there is a Blender, you have many things possibles are here. Okay, you can create many things in the geometry nodes. So as I told you before, the new versions give us very good things. Okay, it's have a new version, it's have a new things, it's have a new panel, and everything. It's a very good and very efficient. Okay, because in the previous version there is a many more lackness in the software, because when I use the 2.91 and I create an animation, it will lack as per as my requirement. It's a lack very much, but now it's a very good. Okay, so I prefer you to use this version, Blender 2.93, because it's amazing and you should enjoy the new panel geometry nodes here. Okay, so let's discuss about our last three modifiers here. Okay, so I want to delete it. Let's delete it and delete it. I create a sphere here, go to modifiers and create my modifier. Let's discuss about solidify. What is a solidify? The solidify modifier used to be solidify a modifier. Just look at this. When I increase it, it will be scalar and larger, more than more as our requirement. But it's very good. Okay, so as you wants to know about it more also. Okay, and now the final modifier is subdivision surface. The subdivision surface means that it make your objects totally smooth, and it's make a very smooth object here. Okay, so it's really work good, and also be to be very useful to making a cloths, and also be to be clear the roughness of a mesh. Okay friends, the triangulate modifier, sorry, it belongs to physics modifier. Let's go to wireframe. The wireframe modifier used to be create a wireframe along the object. Just look at this. It's look like a dome. Okay, it's look like a dome. This modifier is used to create a skeletons and many more etc. things. And if you want to create a stainer and also wants to create wires on the object, just like that, I want to create some wires on my object, and you can create also with this. Okay, the wireframe modifier. The last modifier is multi-mission modifier. Okay, as I know that it's really not working here, because we should have to subdivide it and subdivide it. When I subdivide it and go to tab mode, okay, it's not working here because it's not belongs to this, it's belongs to physics modifier. So as I told you, I discussed the all generate modifier here, but we have lots of modifier also here, the deforms and physics. There the deforms and physics are belongs to the physics panel. This is our here. Okay, and particle system. So we will discuss in on this. Okay, when I discuss my physics modifier, I will discuss about the physics system, how the physics system is a work in the Blender. So watch my video, and if you have any problem regarding my content, then please comment me. I know that I am doing better and better myself, so I know that you like my video, and if you have any complaint regarding my content, then please comment me, and please share my video and subscribe my channel. Also, we will finish our modifier, and in the next video I'm going to be discussing about then create a something new. Okay, we will going to be create something new. We will create a character in our Blender, a simple low poly character creating in the Blender. I am going to discuss about the new things in my next video. So I am going to discuss my new video is about that, to create a character, how to create a character in Poly graphics and anything else. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and if you have any problem regarding my content, then please comment me. Thank you friends to watch my video, and don't lose the opportunity to use this software. Okay my friends, the Blender 2.93 is released. Bye bye, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.